What's up, lit family? It's your girl, and I'm back with another lit video. Okay, we are on vacation. Actually, today is my husband's birthday, and today we turned 14 years on our anniversary. So yeah, shout outs to that. God is good all the time. You know what I'm saying? Apparently, you see the get up. I'm actually in the room right now, but we're about to go to the beach. I gotta hurry up because Samira talking about she gonna go to sleep. I'll be in my hurry up. But before you hop into this video, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share, and just let a kid know that you in the building. So I've been in the pool. I mean, this video is like 2:40, so it's kind of late, but we just got done eating, so now we finna go to the beach, and you know they playing music, and you know how YouTube don't be like and people don't play music, so I had to wait till I came down here. But like I said, make sure you subscribe and follow the kid on social media, just like that. But let me show y'all, like, because like I told y'all, it's our, oh, don't pay that no man. Don't pay that no man, but you see it, and you see it. And this is this too. 14 years. I asked for 4 gifts for 14 years. There go 3, and I can't wait till my last gift. It's going down because it's my anniversary. Hey, and it's my baby birthday. Okay, I'm gonna hit y'all when we get to the beach, or at least outside. But right now I gotta use the bathroom, so you already know when you're drinking too much liquor what tends to happen. Okay, anyway, I'll hit y'all in a minute. Okay, so I clearly got my hat. Oh shoot! So I got my hat backwards, but we're walking to Never Never Land. We're walking because we're trying to get some exercise. Oh man, we can't cut in the funny. They got a gate to this shit. Damn it. No, we can't cut. No, we can't cut.
Where the beach at?
Oh man. We soaking up this good vitamin D. There we go. I'm with it now. Whew. Yeah, we could have took a shuttle, but we wanted to walk and soak up this good vitamin D. Damn it. Okay, we're walking. Yeah, I'm gonna drink it. Fuck it. This is my anniversary. Just drink some. Damn. Oh, they made this concoction of Jack Daniels and Daly's coolers. It got red, white, and blue. Why I'm all the way back here? Okay, I'm gonna hit y'all back when we get to the beach. Okay, because my arms hurt. Okay, bye. Okay, y'all, so we made it to the beach. Yes. Y'all see it? So beautiful. So quiet. We finna chillax. I am trying to drink this drink that they gave me because my anniversary. Man. Did that. Down. I'm finna get some music started and, you know, chillax a little bit. So when I get that, I'ma show you. Okay, y'all, so he made it back from the beach. Sand is everywhere. I'm about to hop in the shower. Baby is about to hop in the shower. He got the shower ready, suited and booted. And there's the bed that we might get in. Real talk. So, finna hit in the shower and I'll talk to you guys later. And I need to fix my nail. Is it this one? One of these nails act like it's finna break, so I need to fix it. But I'm having so much fun. It's my anniversary. And baby birthday. Okay. We'll be back. What's up, y'all? We just woke up and we outside waiting for everybody. We about to go out to eat to Longhorn Steakhouse. So yeah, it feels so good out here. It's not. I was gonna say, is that a bird or a bat? Cause it's flying. But yeah, I'm finna go out to eat. We'll get up, you know. And yeah, we'll catch y'all on the flip side. Hey. Catch y'all on the flip side when we get to Longhouse Steakhorn. We still full, but we're gonna get it for later. Okay. Dinner was amazing. I'm gonna put it in the clip so y'all see. We made it back to the house. It's time to take these clothes off and get comfortable. You know what I'm saying? And chill out. We drinking our water. We tired. Been to the beach. Celebrated earlier.
She called.
Who?
No, Keisha.
Okay. So we'll talk to you.
I'm calling you now.
We'll talk to you next time. Until the next time, family, stay lit. I love it like this, your girl. And we out. I think I'm gonna record. Oh, the light is perfect in here. I think I'm going to record tomorrow. The decor. You know, I'm gonna add some clips in. Show y'all our breakfast that we had this morning. And the dinner that we had. And the beach stuff. And yeah, look at my outfit. Look at my outfit. Okay. Until next time, stay lit up, love it like it's your girl. Ooh, 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 ooh. And I'm out. See y'all soon. Bye. Wait a minute. I forgot to say something. Thanks, babe, for my anniversary gift. If y'all can see, this is 1. This is 2. And this is 3. Diamond Princess Bae really caught me off guard. I'm mad that we didn't have the camera because every time it was like a special moment. Like, I got this one at 3 o'clock in the morning. I got this one while I was eating breakfast. And then I got this one when I was at the pool. So, 3 different moments. So, I asked Bae for 4 gifts for 14 years. Comment down below and tell your girl happy anniversary and happy birthday to Bae. So, I'm really loving my gifts. And Bae know me so much because big hoops be making my ears hurt. So, that's why they so small. Get into the details. Get into it. So, I ain't never got to take these off. I'm always going to be here. I'm so excited. Look at that diamond bracelet. You know, it match my rag. You wake up flawless, bossed up, flawless, round in it. Boxing on these diamonds. My diamond. There's a rock. My rock. I woke up like this. I woke up like this. We flawless, ladies. Tell them I woke up like this. I woke up like this. Okay. Thank you, babe. I really, really love you. Really, really appreciate it. Really, really excited. Okay. And y'all, let me tell you nothing. Your girl is off. She done derailed her fucking diet, okay? This weekend I ate a little bit more than what I supposed to. And so when I come home, you know it's back exercising. It's back exercising, grind time, workout on point. You know, we got to get back to that working out. You know, we got to lose 54 pounds. And now I might have put on 2-3 more pounds. So that's 56 pounds, 58 pounds, something like that. But we got to get to it. So get ready because it's time to work out. Once we come off this vacation. So, okay. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being there. Thanks for supporting. Thanks for showing love all the time. And I'm out again. Bye.